All right, so back to school content, ask and you shall receive. This is gonna be probably the only video I do on back to school content, but it's not just back to school stuff, it's outfit talk in general. You can apply this stuff to any social setting, a party. You know, I'm not going back to school, I'm far from it. I'm just gonna throw on a bunch of different outfits and talk to you about why I'm styling certain things in certain ways. In a lookbook, there's music playing and I'm not really talking about the vibe or anything like that. This is gonna be the opposite of that. I'm gonna talk about each individual piece that I'm wearing, why I threw it on, and then move on to the next one. So nothing complex about this video at all. Just a bunch of different outfits that I like wearing around this time of year. All right, starting off with the outfit that I'm wearing, pastel colors. They're in. They're totally hitting right now. Basic and plain clothing is still nice, but I'm throwing in a lot of color this summer, and I'm gonna continue to do that into the fall. I'm pretty much head to toe in pastel colors and light tones. They go together so well. I got a Carhartt Work in Progress t-shirt on, and it's obviously in this pastel purple color, which I'm really feeling because Carhartt stuff, you know, it's rugged, it's workwear. Work in Progress, however, is totally different. So when people see a t-shirt like this, they ask about it. They're like, where'd you get that Carhartt tee? Thinking that it's inline Carhartt stuff. I'll link Carhartt Work in Progress stuff down in the description, as well as a lot of details about all of these outfits. Just a side note, I really like using this natural light right here, but it's cloudy and it's kind of spotty. So it may be super bright at points in this video and it may be a little bit dark. Sorry about that. I just really want to use the natural light though. But anyway, the shorts, Uncivilized by Mr. Foamersimpon and Young Buckets. They're tie-dye sweat shorts and they are probably one of my favorite pairs of shorts that I've got this summer, and I just got them last week. These shorts are really cool and I wanted to complement them with a pastel color on my sneakers. So I went with the Jordan 1 Turbo Greens. They've obviously got the purple laces in there and that kind of plays off the t-shirt a little bit, which is also a purple tone. To top it off, I've got my hat with 47 brand. There's no dark tone anywhere in this outfit and I think it's a good look. So that is fit number 1. Let's get into fit 2. Okay, next up we got a black on black fit, and it really doesn't look black on black right now because of the lighting, but this is my take on black this summer, where pretty much everything is black. However, there's a few color hits that are incorporated. So I'm gonna start off with this t-shirt. It's from Undefeated, and as you can see, there's a small logo on the left side. It says Undefeated in white, and then there's a neon green and purple hit. And I feel like that's a great black t-shirt for the summertime, where it's not just simple and all black. Something like this stands out, it's noticeable. Up top, we've got my classic Chicago White Sox on-field cap, one of my favorite hats. You know, over the years, this thing has just warped to my head and it's the perfect fit. I really like this hat and it's my go-to black hat. For the shorts, we've got Everlane Air Chinos, and these things are super lightweight, perfect for the summertime, very breathable. I wore the olive pair in my cool gray Jordan 4 video, and a lot of people were asking about those. It's the same shorts, just in black. It's kind of a washed black, so it's a little bit lighter, and I feel like they work well with this outfit because of the sneakers. On feet, we got something from Dick's Sporting Goods. These are the new Adidas Night Joggers. Now, the Night Jogger model has been out for a little while, but this colorway, I don't know if it's exclusive to Dick's Sporting Goods or not, but I've never seen this colorway. When they told me they had these in stock at Dick's Sporting Goods, I was hyped because, you know, the Night Jogger model has been cool. I've seen it, and there's been a few colorways that have dropped, but no colorway has really caught my eye until these. You've got this purplish pink color on the 3 stripes, and then you've got this neon yellow hit towards the back. Obviously, there's boost on here with mesh and suede, so a lot of materials going on, and then to top it off, you've got gum bottoms. So if you want to grab these kicks, you can get them from Dick's Sporting Goods, but that's a wrap for outfit number 2. Let's move on to outfit number 3. Okay, getting back into those lighter tones like outfit number 1, we got a t-shirt and jeans look. This tee is from Union and Jordan brand that released exclusively through Nordstrom and Union. This color just screams summer, in my opinion. It's like this faded neon yellow, and then it's got some cool graphics on it. On the front, you've got a basketball and another on the back. It's just a really cool graphic. Got it paired with some Represent Clo denim that I really like. This is skinny fit denim. I'm still on skinny fit denim. You may not be. If you're into straight fit and baggy denim, that's all good. It's all personal preference, right? I like skinny fit denim, slim stuff. It makes the sneakers stand out more. But getting into the sneakers, we got some Jordan 4s, one of my favorite retro models, and these things are crazy slept on. Military blue 4s are so clean, and they don't really match this t-shirt or anything, but they go well together. But what year do these things come out? Are these like 2013, 2011? They probably dropped in 2012, but damn. I've had these for a minute now and they've held up great. No hat up top, just a clean skin fade that flows into my nicely trimmed beard, and that's the look. No hat on this one. Let's keep it rolling. Okay, outfit number 4. Is this 4 or is this 5? Outfit number 4. I think this is 4. We got a hoodie in this one and it's paired with shorts. It's not very often you can pull off a hoodie and shorts, but that combo right there, glorious. Doesn't happen too often. You can do it sometimes in the spring and sometimes in the fall. Hopefully you can pull it off like, I don't know, mid-September, late September or something like that. But anyway, we got a tie-dye pullover hoodie from Noah NYC. We got some sweat shorts from Kith, their collab with Russel, and then we got some Jordan 1 lows, a collab with Koston. So a lot going on with this outfit as far as brands and collabs and all that stuff, but I love the way that it looks all put together. Really nice sweatshirt. I love all the different colors showing up. And then you don't see navy on Jordan 1s too often. For whatever reason, it's rare that you see navy. These 1 lows, Koston's one of my favorite skaters. Like, these are just an amazing sneaker, and I just wanted to throw something a little bit darker in there to kind of play off that Noah logo. Also, yes, this stuff is expensive, but I'm a grown-ass man. I can pay for expensive clothing. I work, I do videos. I can pay for this stuff. You may not be able to. You're going into school, you're on a budget. I totally get it. Just take this look and replicate it a cheaper way. You can find red sweat shorts. These things are pigment dyed, made in the USA, and a collab from Kith. They're gonna be pricey, but you can find something that looks like this for the low. Tie-dye sweatshirt, it's from Noah. This was also made in the USA. You can find something cheaper. You can definitely just Google tie-dye sweatshirt, find something cheaper, pair the two of them together. Jordan 1 lows, there's a bunch of Jordan 1 lows that have released. Yeah, these are a collab. They're a little bit spicier than a normal Jordan 1 with that Jumpman logo on the toe box, but I'll link some Jordan 1 lows for you guys down in the description and you can cop them. That's a great affordable sneaker, under $100. So replicate this fit in a more affordable way. Just take it and run with it. Okay, so getting into what I would consider an affordable outfit, and honestly, one of my favorite outfits in this video. This is pretty much all Reebok classic stuff. They did send this to me, however, this is not sponsored by them or anything like that. I like track pants. They're an 80s and 90s retro vibe, and I like how colorful these are in particular because that kind of plays off that older vibe in my opinion. These pants you can definitely get for the low, and it's a nice option if you don't feel like throwing on denim or chinos or even sweatpants. Something like this that's super lightweight is easy to wear this time of year as well. These Aztrecs give that old school runner vibe. As for the t-shirt, we got a basic white tee from J. Crew, and this has been one of my favorite white tees recently. Nice quality, it's kept its white color. Then of course my gold chain and the San Diego Retro Classics fitted hat. Accessories are so important for an outfit. They can totally change the look of things. You know, if I didn't have this chain on or this hat, it could appear like I'm going running. But when I throw the accessories on, it changes the whole look. So good, affordable outfit right here. Don't look over these track pants. They're definitely nice for this time of year. Let's keep it rolling. Okay, so outfit number 6. It's primarily navy, as you can see from the t-shirt and the shorts. And then I've got a lot of accent colors that are popping. The sneakers, the t-shirt. Let's break it all down. So we've got a vintage thrifted Souvenir t-shirt. Obviously, it's a Florida graphic on the front. You can go into a Goodwill or any kind of thrift store and find something similar to this. Obviously not the same tee. This is a really cool Florida logo, and there's so many different colors that you could pair with this t-shirt. I'm playing off the bottom of the tee where you can see a little bit of yellow there, and that's what I went with for the sneakers. We got some Jordan 5s. These are the Michigan Inspire sneakers. That yellow just pops, and I think it plays off the accents in this t-shirt. These will for sure be a nice fall sneaker as well. They'll go with like olive greens and earth tones and all that stuff. So if you're still trying to grab a pair of these and you're on the fence, I would do it. I don't know if they're gonna hit outlets. They may or may not, but if you don't want to take that gamble, I would just grab them while you still can. Crew cut white Nike socks, of course. I either rock these or the Tommy Hilfigers most of the time. Very reliable. So here's the fit, and of course, let me know which one of these is your favorite. The video isn't done, but definitely hit the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video so far, and let me know what your favorite outfit is. But let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is the last outfit. Obviously, fall is on the way, and that means earth tones. Stuff like this, brown, tan, olive green, etc. However, fall temperatures are not here yet, but you can ease your way into that style with something like this. The t-shirt, we got something from Stussy, and this is from the 2017 season, I believe. It's just a basic brown t-shirt with their Crest Globe logo embroidered on the left side. It looks like that Yeezy logo that Kanye used a couple times, but trust me, this shirt was first, and it's pretty basic. I love Stussy t-shirts. They're some of my favorites. I did a whole video on t-shirts that I like, so if you missed that one, go check it out. I'll link it somewhere for you guys. And then next, we got some washed diamond sweat shorts from Jordan Brand, and I've been telling you how much Jordan Brand has been stepping up their clothing. These shorts, bangers. This color is really cool. It's this washed olive green, and it pairs well with the brown on my t-shirt, and then of course the brown on my sneakers. So I've got the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows, and I obviously wasn't able to get these myself. A friend also tried to grab a pair for me, and he locked them down. So that's one of the rare sneakers app victories. It wasn't me personally, but my friend was able to get them, and I'm probably just gonna delete my sneakers account and start over. So if you have these or something similar, you know, this is kind of how I plan on styling it. And then to play off those earth tones even more, I've got a backpack and a weekend travel bag. They're both from Everlane. They're both in this tan color, and it goes well with the outfit. I use both of these pretty often, and if you're traveling or going to school, whatever it is, you know, you can coordinate your bags into your outfit. It's just a little something. And then to top it off, I've got a flannel here. Now this would be for those colder mornings when it's gonna warm up a little bit later. Throw this on. Who cares if you're wearing shorts? There's no rules to this. If you don't like that though, throw on some chinos. Some olive green pants with this would give off that same look, and you can find those pretty easily from like Levi's or something. So there you go with all of my back to school and casual outfit ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Everything's linked down in the description as far as outfit details go, and go check out some of my other videos because I've been uploading a lot recently, and more content will be on the way. Definitely a fall lookbook. I'm gonna start that one early, so hopefully I can get that up for you guys by next month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll catch you next time. Peace.